Seniors, top 9 powerful nutrients to strengthen joints and fight knee pain. Are your knees constantly aching like they're holding you back from the life you used to enjoy? Maybe it's that sharp pain when you climb the stairs or the dull ache that just won't quit after a short walk. You've tried painkillers, creams, maybe even exercises, but the pain always comes back, right? Here's the thing. Most people don't realize the food you eat every day can either make your knee pain worse or help your joints heal naturally. And today we're going to talk about the top 9 powerful nutrients that can strengthen your joints and fight knee pain, backed by science and simple enough to add to your next meal. From omega-3s found in fatty fish that calm inflammation to the vitamin-rich fruits and greens that help rebuild cartilage and strengthen bones, these nutrients are nature's own pain-fighting toolkit. We'll also cover how calcium keeps your knees steady, how glucosamine and chondroitin support cartilage repair, and why antioxidants are your secret weapon against joint damage. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to reach for if you want stronger, more flexible knees, and how to start feeling better without relying on pills or endless treatments. So if you're ready to move without pain, to take that walk without wincing, and to finally get your confidence back, stay tuned. This could be the change your knees have been waiting for. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. These are like superheroes for sore knees. They're healthy fats with serious anti-inflammatory power that can ease pain from osteoarthritis or just daily wear. You'll find them in salmon, mackerel, or sardines. They cut down on those body chemicals that spark swelling and stiffness, making stairs less of a battle. Plus, they boost blood flow for smoother moves. Folks often feel better after adding them in. A study from the National Institutes of Health shows omega-3s protect cartilage and lower joint inflammation. 997E21. They even help your heart and brain too. Smart move for real relief. 2. Vitamin D. This sunshine vitamin is key for strong bones and happy knees. It helps soak up calcium to keep bones tough against osteoarthritis. Low levels? More pain and weakness. It tames inflammation and boosts immunity too. Get it from sun, salmon, or fortified milk. Supplements work if needed. It'll make your knees flex easier. 3. Calcium. The backbone mineral, literally. It builds dense bones to shield joints from wear, cutting osteoporosis risk. Helps muscles and nerves too. Grab it from dairy, kale, or fortified milks. Supplements fill gaps. Your knees will feel steadier, less achy. 4. Vitamin C. This antioxidant champ builds collagen for cushy cartilage, fights free radicals that inflame joints. Oranges, strawberries, peppers, easy adds. Boosts immunity and repairs. Less pain, more flex. 5. Vitamin K. Fat-soluble and vital, it locks calcium into bones for density and fracture protection. Strengthens cartilage too. Spinach, kale, broccoli, load up. Lowers inflammation for easier moves. 6. Glucosamine. Your body makes it for cartilage upkeep, but levels drop with age. Supplements repair, ease stiffness, often from shellfish. Pair with chondroitin for max effect. 7. Chondroitin sulfate. Keeps cartilage bouncy and hydrated, blocking breakdown enzymes. With glucosamine, it rebuilds tissue. Studies show less pain, better walks. The Arthritis Foundation notes it may relieve OA pain and stiffness. 2C2F57 animal-sourced, capsule form. 8. Antioxidants like polyphenols. They zap free radicals causing joint damage and inflammation. In berries, green tea, nuts. Keep swelling down, joints flexible. 9. Collagen. Protein for cartilage cushion. Age drops it, so add via broth or supplements. Reduces stiffness, improves steps. We've covered these 9 game changers for knee relief. Start with fish, greens, or sups. Small swaps pay off. Like this? Watch next for more tips. Hit like, subscribe, comment below. See ya.